Welcome to Freelance with Jay, a channel dedicated to freelancers and remote workers around the world. Here, we teach you everything you need to know to grow, earn, and thrive in the digital economy. Today, in our Freelancing AI Series, we're diving into something every freelancer should understand. What AI cannot replace, the human skills that still pay best in 2025 and beyond. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, join our Freelancers Starter class on WhatsApp, and follow Freelance with Jay on Facebook. All links are in the description. Let's begin. We've all seen it, AI is everywhere. From writing to design to automation, the digital world is shifting fast. But here's the truth, AI automates tasks, not talent. Technology evolves, but humanity adapts. What makes you irreplaceable isn't the tool you use, it's your human edge. Stay with me as we explore the 5 human skills that still pay best, and will continue to, no matter how advanced AI becomes. Let's start with one of the most powerful assets in freelancing, emotional intelligence. Empathy still sells. The best freelancers don't just complete projects, they connect with clients. You understand emotions, frustrations, and goals that AI can't feel or fake. Relationships close deals, not algorithms. The next time you message a client, remember, your tone, warmth, and listening ear might just win you the contract. Here's the truth, AI can remix, but it can't imagine. Creativity is still the soul of every great project. Humans connect ideas emotionally. That's why the best brands, campaigns, and posts don't just inform, they inspire. Whether you're designing, writing, or marketing, your story matters. Your story is what AI doesn't have, and that, my friend, is your competitive advantage. AI gives you data, but only you can define direction. Strategy is where human intuition meets insight. Smart freelancers think beyond the brief. You don't just ask, what does the client want? You ask, what does the client actually need? The future belongs to freelancers who can connect the dots and guide clients toward results that matter. You've heard it before, words move people, but the way you communicate is what sets you apart. Negotiation, tone, empathy, and storytelling. These are deeply human arts. Even the most advanced chatbot can't replace the trust you build when you speak or write from understanding. Want to grow faster? Become the voice your clients trust. And if you're learning something valuable right now, hit that like button. It helps more freelancers find this series. The only skill that keeps you relevant forever is adaptability. AI will keep changing the game, but those who keep learning, unlearning, and relearning will never fall behind. Every project, every failure, every update, is an opportunity to evolve. The best freelancers aren't the ones who know it all, they're the ones who keep growing. Let's wrap it up. AI can't replace the human touch. Your empathy, creativity, strategy, communication, and adaptability. That's your real currency in the AI age. Use AI as a partner, not a replacement. Let technology amplify your talent, not define it. Thanks for watching this episode of Freelance with Jay. Don't forget to subscribe, follow Freelance with Jay on Facebook, and join our Freelancers Starter class on WhatsApp to connect with like-minded freelancers and learn directly from experts. And in our next episode, AI copywriting secrets, creating blog posts, ads, and captions with AI, we'll show you how to write faster, better, and more persuasively using AI tools. You don't want to miss it. Until then, keep creating, keep learning, and keep winning with Freelance with Jay.